Today's recipe is for Sriracha sauce. Sriracha is a fermented Thai-style hot spicy sauce. As it's being made at home, you can make it as spicy as you want. It can be added to many different types of food or even drinks. Sriracha is really handy because often in a family, the various members have different tolerance levels to hot spicy food. With Sriracha, it's added to food after the fact, and you can therefore add as much or as little as required. Okay, let's make it. Why not? To make Sriracha, you need chili. This is a medium spicy chili. So this is about 200 gram chilies and 1 pepper and garlic. Here's 5 cloves garlic and 2 apples. That's the substitute for sugar, and some salt, sea salt. Okay, now start chopping. This is a medium spicy, so I'm not going to de-seed because it is not too spicy. It is quite spicy, this one. Oh, so I will de-seed. Chop all the chilies. I will peel this apple and then chop it. And garlic. 5 cloves garlic. It's up to you. If you like, you can put more. And now it's a pepper. Teaspoon salt. So blend it now. So it's done. Oh, very spicy smell. Oh, wow. I'm going to put this one in the jar and ferment for a week. Because of green chili, the color is a bit darker, not really red color. So now it's done. Cover the lid, but not too tight, so it needs to go. The air can go in, so it will easy to ferment. Okay, see you in a week. 1 week has gone. I have stirred this Sriracha every day to allow the air in to help fermentation. I think it is well fermented now, so today I'm going to add apple cider vinegar and blend it again. I will add 2 tablespoons raw apple cider vinegar. So 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, but if you want, you can add more. So this is done. This Sriracha is fermented and with added vinegar, so it will keep longer without any preservatives. It is very simple to make, but handy to use. You could put it in your salad, fried rice, stir fry, bibimbap, any noodles, soup, stew, burger, chips, and even cocktails. So, would you like to make it this weekend? Please do so. Thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Okie dokie. See you next time. Bye.